Hello, this is the TradeSite Forex Market Preview and International Economic Data Roadmap for the week beginning Sunday, the 21st of January, ending Friday, the 26th of January, 2018. Hope you had a good trading week. Here's a look at the dollar index. Dead flat for 5 days. Look at that. After breaking down the new lows under that 91 level, absolutely no action at all. Just dead, dead, dead flat, stuck between not even 90 and 91, which is going to get reflected in the intra-week action as we go through it. So it wasn't very exciting. Here's the euro dollar, mostly the inverse of the dollar index right now. Here's the pound. A little more action there. We've got a 13 sell signal, and the risk line is almost the high, so we have not breached that yet. But we're going to have to roll over soon if that signal is going to come into play. Here's the euro yen. Not a lot going on there. It's been so flat for a while. Here's the Aussie dollar. Pound yen. Pound Swiss. New Zealand dollar. Dollar. I mean, there's really nothing here that's new from last week. All right, let's look at the intra-week action. So we got 30-minute candles, high to low on the euro dollar, about 160 pips, and that includes, a spike up one day, and it really is pretty narrow overall. Had a small winners, small losers. Wasn't super exciting. Here's the pound dollar, 220 pips of range for the whole thing. All right. With nothing really to talk about on the charts because there just isn't, let's just go straight to the economic data that's coming out this week. We've got nothing on Sunday. Monday, we've got the Eurogroup meetings. We've got German BUBA monthly report, Canada's wholesale sales. Japan's got their Bank of Japan rate announcement and statement. That's it. We go to Tuesday, their press conference for that. And then public sector net borrowing out of the UK, German zoo economic sentiment, broad European zoo economic sentiment, European ECOFIN meetings, CBI industrial order expectations out of the UK. So far, nothing major. Consumer confidence out of Europe. US has Richmond Manufacturing Index on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern. MI leading index out of Australia. Trade balance out of Japan. Flash manufacturing PMI out of Japan. Credit card spending out of New Zealand. Wednesday, we're already to Wednesday. Nothing's happened yet. French and German and broad European flash manufacturing and services PMI. UK unemployment rate at 4:30 a.m. That one might move things. Got the housing price index at 9 a.m. Eastern time here in the U.S. Flash manufacturing and services PMI data at 9:45. Existing home sales at 10. CB leading index out of Australia. Crude oil inventories out of the U.S. CPI out of New Zealand. Thursday, Spanish unemployment rate. German IFO business climate. UK high street lending. That's a new number. 4:30 a.m. Eastern time on Thursday. CBI realized sales. Bank of the ECB has their rate announcement at 7:45 a.m. Canada's got retail sales, unemployment claims. That's the weekly number here in the U.S. Trade balance, preliminary wholesale inventories, new home sales here in the U.S. and CB leading index. Natty gas at 10:30. Australia's got their bank holiday. Japan, Tokyo core CPI and national core CPI. Monetary policy meeting minutes out of Japan. SPPI out of Japan. M3 money supply out of Europe, private loans out of Europe, preliminary GDP out of the UK, index of services, CPI out of Canada at 8:30 next Friday. Here's the big one. The first look at GDP for the fourth quarter. That's the advanced number. That's a big one. We half size ahead of that Friday morning, and then the durable goods number, CV leading index. So the big one's that GDP number. We will focus on that and go from there. Other than that, there's not much else to talk about. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. Let's hope there's no government shutdown. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading week.